In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off iPhone screen time without passcode. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up settings. Then go to screen time and then scroll down for a bit until you find change screen time passcode. Then just tap on that, and there you must select between change screen time passcode and turn off screen time passcode. Select turn off screen time passcode, and then it will ask you to enter your screen time passcode. But if you forgot it, just stop where it says forgot passcode, and then it will prompt you to enter your Apple ID. Then hit OK. Then enter your Apple ID password. Then hit OK again. And that will remove your screen time passcode in that simple way. And now you can turn off screen time by hitting right here. Then turn off screen time. And that's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.